Important cat care tips for beginners. Groom weekly, or more frequent if possible, to prevent hairballs, improve the look of your cat's coat, and to check on your cat's well-being. You can provide scratching posts or pads to help keep your cat's nails trimmed naturally. Cat food, appropriate for the age of your cat. Additional cat care items. Cat toys, appropriate for the age of your cat. Cat shampoo if bathing is deemed necessary. Cats like crawly spaces, so be alert for the cat crawling under a recliner or into couch and mattress box springs. Give your cat a litter box filled with clean litter to encourage normal urination. Brushing or combing your cat regularly will help keep its coat clean and reduce shedding. Although cats can be quite independent, they are also very playful animals and many enjoy playing with toys and people. So do not expect cats to come to you when you call them, especially when they are not in the mood. Make sure you tell your vet about your cat's current medical problems, lifestyle, living environment, medical history, and any medications your cat is receiving. Empty the litter tray daily to minimize the risk of infection, as the oocysts excreted in a cat's feces, which takes 1 to 5 days dependent on environmental conditions. As mentioned above, recommended practice is to avoid contacting cat's feces.